Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's front tow hook on this Textron Wildcat XX. So let's jump right in. The first thing that we're going to do is remove these two bolts located here as well as here. And go ahead and remove these two bolts. Once we've removed our factory hardware, we're going to get the hardware that's provided in the kit as well as our front tow hook. We're just going to slide the bolts right into position. Make sure we get them nice and straight whenever we get them started. Once we have them good and started straight, let's go ahead and fully tighten them. Once we have them fully tightened, we're going to grab our clevis hook. We'll thread it in. And once you got it good and started, and as tight as you can get it, grab a pair of channel locks and just put that extra little bit on it. That way you don't lose it. Now we've got a good place to hook our winch up to. Our winch rope. That way it doesn't get bound up, it doesn't hit anything. We also have an excellent place to be towed from, as well as to strap the machine down when you're loading it up on a trailer. All kinds of benefits, super quick and easy install. For more information on this front tow hook or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.